For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Hadian bagi lekno ke bala subajor bagi dei ke balawan na kawai pat kari ke bamarjan bagi don keti ha kaban siap yap ya ke arpun rengut ke beri beloi ha Pahalgam ha Jammu bat Kashmir. Ha kasi palai jagatayo Inspector General ke Border Security Force OP Upadhyay ula Pyntip bagi la Pynjur ya ke Jingpahara bat ke Jingpahara ha ki Thaiñ khappud bat ki longru ke bala penkre ban chem ya kino ki senjam ladami kano ke jingja.
As you all aware that the border security force is always remain alert 24/7, and we are having this specialization in night dominance. So we have further strengthened our night dominance capabilities, the surveillance capabilities, and deployment of some additional manpower. We have reviewed our the existing deployment, the existing security measures, and we have taken adequate security measures, including deployment of additional manpower as well as additional surveillance equipment. Apart from that, we have raised our level of coordination with the state police and other agencies. And we have also interacted with the local population, local NOCMAs, and the acclaimed civilian authorities, and we are getting full support of them. As of now, there is no such proposal in hand. But in case of any requirement, so certainly will not be wanting in this aspect, and we'll be getting some additional forces also. The border conditions are at the moment are under very much under control. We have got excellent coordination with the state and other sister agencies, and we are quite vigilant. And the best part is that we are getting full support of the border populations. Our civilian brethren in border areas, they are quite vigilant and they are supporting us. Our coordination with BGB as usual, and we do not see any major shift in their approach. We are regularly having flag meetings with them. We are regularly sorting out the local issues which are being dealt by the local battalion commanders and the BOP commanders. Though there are some issues of erecting the fencing within 150 meters of the international border. So we are working on that, and hopefully we'll be able to address those issues. See, as usual, any incident take place in the vicinity or in the country, there is a requirement of having enhanced level of security and vigilance. So accordingly, we have enhanced our security as well as our vigilance, and we are ready for any eventuality. There is no problem as such.